We have arrived at our Tahiti hotel room, which Millie says we saved half price almost. And it's a very spacious room.
It's the one I like since we're staying 4 nights.
And the main goal was to get a balcony to air our scuba gear. Now, their term of a balcony is this: an air conditioning, mounting balcony. But that's okay.
Because it serves our needs. Look at all the great space for us to dry out our stuff.
Yeah.
And you need to sit down.
And you notice the Tahitian romantic foliage.
Oh yeah. What a view. But I will say, we're going to have something. We might have a nice sunset later.
Sunset from our balcony. Tahiti, August 2025. On our way to Cook Islands after this. Okay, this is our first night out of the town in Tahiti. We gotta go upstairs in an elevator.
Oh, that keeps on closing on me. Oh, we're going to or
Three.
Okay.
Good weather.
Nachos and beer.
Good plane.
Lots of beer.
How about French fries?
They had French fries and
That's
hamburgers.
always relatively safe. Oh, this is okay. It's quite nice. Nice breeze.
Bonjour, bonjour. Why do we crown?
You know what?
Folks,
Sorry,
that is
but if
a
you want to
tuna wrap
and
in Tahiti.
And cheese.
Hey!
Yeah, look.
Wow! Wow!
Now that's a Caesar salad.
With anchovies or not?
No, that's chicken and shrimp.
Oh, wow!
From here, oh, I see the. Okay, I see it
Yeah.
now. I get it.
Little, they're little slivers on it.
What they did is they cut it in half, and they butterflied it, and then they cut it.
No idea where I'm at. I think I'm in Tahiti. Are we in Tahiti?
Cold water.